Hey everybody, today we're drawing Jack Skellington, and we're starting with a circle for his head. Jack's head is a skull shape, so this doesn't have to be a perfect circle. Next is the smile that goes all the way across his face. Make sure you draw this line towards the bottom of the circle. If you draw it too high, he looks like a frog. Now we'll draw Jack's long neck, with a curved line on the left side and another on the right. The eyes are the next step, and they're a little bit challenging. They need a certain shape and size to look just right. Let's start with this oval shape, close to the edge of his head. Then draw his other eye, just a little bit larger. I'm going back over this one to get it just right. Same thing for the line under the chin. And now for my favorite part about drawing Jack, the stitches on his mouth. Notice the stitches are longer in the center of his mouth and get smaller towards the edges. Now add some fun details for Jack's bow tie. In the center of his tie is this head that looks like a bat or maybe a rat. We'll come back to it, but first I'm going to outline his head with a thicker marker. Because these bold lines really help our drawing stand out. And then it's time to fill in the eyes. And if I've been going a little too fast, now's a good time to catch up. Now we'll add Jack's nose, which are just two tiny little nostrils. Right in between the mouth and eyes. Here's another fun detail to add expression. I'll just clean up these lines a little bit. And add some eyes to that rat creature. We're almost finished, so add 2 lines for his bow tie. Draw a bat wing shape like this, then do the same thing on the other side. Now draw these wrinkles, or maybe they're whiskers. Now let's take a look at the finished drawing. The eyes and nose have been colored in black. You see that stitched mouth across his face, and that unique bow tie at the bottom of his long neck. Thanks for drawing Jack with me. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.